The world-famous Sharpstone hand mill clear top herb grinder. This see-through top gets you in on the action. The Sharpstone 4-piece grinder is one of the highest quality spice grinders on the market, made from aircraft-grade aluminum and produced on precision CNC machinery for an amazing fit and almost zero flaw rate. Razor-sharp teeth shred herbs and spices with maximum efficiency. Simply insert desired material into the top compartment. Two high-strength magnets help keep it airtight. It's 2.5 inches wide. Pollen scraper and cloth carrying pouch included. Screw cap on and begin to grind. Free priority shipping within the United States. Afterwards, you will see that your material has been broken down into the lower chamber. Visit vaporme.com for more information or call 1-800-515-5035. Enjoy your grinded material thanks to Sharpstone.